I'm going to be showing you how to flush your tankless water heater. We have the Navien tankless water heaters right here. We have two of them. I'm going to be showing you how to do just one of them, but you can do the same exact thing for when you do the second one. Here's the kit that we ended up buying. It's worth buying your own kit and doing this yourself because it'll save you a lot of money knowing how to do this by yourself, and it's not hard. Flushing your tankless water heater is supposed to happen every 3 to 5 years, and it was $600 to have a professional come flush both of my tankless water heaters. So I asked if you would teach me how so I could do it by myself next time it needed to be done. So I'll show you every step on how to do this. I'll go over the steps really quick up front, and then I'll go into detail in each of those steps. First, unplug your water heater, then turn off the water to the machine, including the recirculation line. Third, you'll hook up the hoses to the drain ports. Then you'll open the red and blue knobs. And fifth, you'll add water to the bucket the pump is in, then plug in the pump. The last and easiest step is letting it sit for 30 to 45 minutes for it to flush your water heater. You'll need a tankless water heater descaler kit like this one. It'll come with 2 hoses, a pump, and a descaler solution. You can reuse everything except the descaler solution. This is what the descaler solution looks like that my plumber used, but I imagine all descaler solutions will do the job just fine. You'll need to get the pump in a good spot for it to sit while it's flushing the tankless water heaters. Putting one 5-gallon bucket upside down and stacking a bucket that's right side up on top of it worked well for us. We stacked it because the hoses can't reach unless it's lifted. While the pump is not plugged in, screw in one of the tubes from the kit to the pump. Then put the pump in the bucket. Then fill the bucket with water about 1/4 the way up with the pump sitting inside the bucket. Once the water is in, add the whole container of descaler solution into the bucket. Don't plug in the pump yet. Turn off the recirculation line. The recirculation line is the black handle over here. Next, you'll want to unplug the water heater you're working on. Then turn off the main water line to the unit by turning the yellow handle. Just a quick way to know whether it's on or off. If the knob is in line with the pipe, it's on. And if it's perpendicular, it's off. So next you turn off the red and blue knobs. Unscrew the service valve's metal knob on the blue side and screw in the other side of the hose that's connected to the pump to this service valve. And unscrew the metal knob. Now get the other hose from the kit that's not connected to anything yet, and you will hook this hose up to the red side service valve and screw on that second hose. Turn on the blue and red knobs. Once both service valves have hoses connect to them, pull the red side's hose into the bucket so the water will flow inside the bucket once it's turned on. And now you can plug the pump in. The red service valve side is where the water will flow out of and into the bucket. The pump then takes the water and shoves it up into the tankless water heater and cleans out everything in the 30 to 45 minute process with the descaler solution that's mixed with that water inside the bucket. There we go. Once it's been flushing for 30 to 45 minutes, you unplug the pump and turn the red and blue knobs off. Unscrew the red line hose first and reattach the service valve cap. Then unscrew the blue line hose and reattach its service valve cap. Slowly turn the main line water on by turning the yellow handle on both the blue and red sides. And slowly turn the recirculation line with that black handle back on. Plug the tankless water heater back in, and that's it. If you have a second water heater, just repeat these same steps. It's so easy. $600 saved every time you do this for 2 tankless water heaters. Hope this helps.